Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. So guys, it's been a little while. I've been doing little few vlogs here and there, and I have some cooking videos guys, but I'm telling you I'm so exhausted because I came up and I was so busy in Jamaica, and then I came back straight to work, had the flu, change of environment, and I'm here. So welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Please remember to leave a little like, subscribe, and share the video, all right, and tell me what you think about it. And if you know another video that you want me to do, please leave it in the comment section. All right, let's get into this one. So someone or more than one person always say, okay, can you do some healthy recipe like you always do, some juice and some something. Somebody say, okay, because I had a flu and it's still there, but it's clearing up now, and I really need something to boost my immune system. Like I work tediously and my back, so I just want something to boost my overall immune system. All right, so we're gonna make a green smoothie. All right, we're gonna do some sea moss. You know, you must incorporate sea moss in all of your smoothie, even drink it. I'm gonna make a recipe, I just mix it and drink it like that. All right, so we need with vitamins here, potassium, vitamin A, and all of that, vitamin E. I have some ginger. Ginger good for the cold and flu and pain and inflammation and all of that. Sea moss, antioxidant merengue powder. All right, so basically this merengue powder, it's, you can just use this, like it has so much stuff in it. Look what it has, guys. Just look at that, screenshot it. Fiber, look at that, just 1% carbohydrates. It has protein 2%, vitamin A 15%, look at that guys, vitamin E 9%, thiamine 1%, riboflavin 4%, vitamin B6 3%, vitamin B12, that's good for your blood and your overall health, 1%, calcium 6%, that's good for your bone, iron, see, I need iron because I'm anemic, 8%, phosphorus 1%, magnesium 5%, and potassium 2%. Look at that, a whole complete dietary fiber here. Incorporate it in your meal, you can put it in whatever, sprinkle it on your salad. I mean, me don't talk to you about sea moss already, just Google it guys. Antioxidant super food, all right, good for your immune system, good for your skin, hair, nail, inside and out. Sea moss, good for your health, lower blood pressure, good for your bones, your joints, your back. Yeah, if you want to do some hard work, sea moss. Yeah, and I'm gonna put my spinach, more green, purge your blood, all right, build your blood. I'm gonna kick it off with a little bit of pineapple, just to give it a little kick, and one little beanie finger, guys. You can see a one little finger banana. If it's a big banana, I will use half. All right, too much long talking. You can freeze your banana. This one is frozen, the pineapple, so I just cut it up when it's on sale and freeze it, and then you use it. All right, so let's get into this guys. Too much talking from me. All right, so let's put the spinach first. It's about a little bit more than a handful, or you can say a cup. Use what you like. All right guys. All right, pineapple, about half cup, that like few pieces. You don't have to overdo it. All right, see, if you think it's too much, you can go in and take out a piece like that, put it away. If you think it's too much, all right, use to your discretion. All right, it comes with the scoop guys, and then so white. I'm gonna put this amount. I'm not even gonna fill the scoop right up because I'm not making like a lot, and I already have spinach, so about half to 3/4 scoop I'm using. See how rich it is. And then over here, my sea moss gel, I'm gonna put like whopping 2 tablespoons, but this is a huge tablespoon. I'm not gonna overdo it. All right, that's it. I'm gonna do it for me and my son. When he does his, he always give me. So this one is a moringa sea moss spinach green super food smoothie. All right, and I'm just gonna add the banana for sweet. I will come back tomorrow with another video for digestion and clean and build your gut health. All right, tomorrow we're gonna come with some gut health. This is good for your gut too. All right, this is a complete overall. You know, when you say you take multivitamins, this one is it. All right, one ripe banana just to add a little bit of sweetness. And final thing, you can use real ginger pieces. I got this ginger extract from Jamaica, real ginger juice. Jamaica don't have no fake thing around here. I'm just gonna put like a teaspoon just to give it a little oops. You don't have to. You can use the real pieces of ginger, but this is the ginger extract. All right, and we're gonna get the almond milk. I'm lactose intolerant, guys, so only almond I can tolerate. So we're gonna put about a cup, because I'm gonna make enough to give my son some. A little bit over a cup there, and we're gonna blend, and that's it. Nothing more. You add and you take away from whatever you want. All right, I'll come back tomorrow with a papaya recipe with something else. All right. And just blend until it's smooth. Oh yeah, let's serve up some. Let's pour some in here. And I have enough left for my son. And this one is nuts, moringa and sea moss spinach green healthy smoothie, a superfood. All right, a complete meal, good for your back, your eye, your blood, your lower your blood pressure, lower cholesterol, good for your heart health. All right, guys, it's a super food. Lower your cholesterol as well. All right, gonna clean and build your immune system. Just check out the ingredients, guys. Read for yourself, research for your own self. All right, and this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. All right, a cup a day will keep the doctor away. And if you're already sick, all right, this is just gonna help to boost your immune system so you get better really fast, quicker. All right, have a good day. All right, guys, let me give it a taste for you. It's so refreshing, guys. It's not sweet. All right, have a good day. Bye, guys. Remember to smile, remember to pray. Life is short. Love upon your family member, love upon your friend. Remember to tell each other you love them. All right, stay safe, stay blessed, and God is love. See you later.